I'm Alex Warren, I make YouTube videos and music, and this is my Ferrari 488. I heard about Inozetek when I was just starting to look for wraps for my BMW M4 like 3 years ago. And one of the guys who I was working with, Blake Chase, actually recommended Inozetek because it looked the most real. Like, it looked like paint. It looked like it would be a shiny super gloss paint. And so when I saw this green and this tan, I knew I wanted to have that combo in both my cars. And ever since then, I've only used Inozetek. My dream car has always been a 488. I wanted to buy one previously, but I just couldn't afford one. So I ended up getting like a cheaper like McLaren, which sounds stupid, but at the same time, I got over the McLaren really quickly, and that's when I knew it was time to pull the trigger and buy my dream car. I've been into cars since I was 6. My dad, when he was passing away, we were in the hospital. Whenever someone in your family or someone you're close to gets cancer, and you're in the hospital, the nurse tries to make the kids feel at ease. And so they handed me a car and driver book, and the cover of that book was a Ferrari Enzo. And ever since then, I was amassed into this book, looking at all these cool cars and how I wanted one. No idea how much the price was and for everything. And you know, before my dad passed away, I said, "Dad, will you buy me a Ferrari Enzo?" And he said, "Yes, I'll do that." And it was the day before he died. And I don't know, ever since then, I've been so fixated on Ferraris. I've been so fixated on cars in general and what I love about them. And thankfully, I now own one. I picked out an Inozetek blue. The crystal pearlescent blue I think was the most non-obnoxious blue. I think it's a very classy blue, where a lot of supercar owners will try and be as flashy as possible. For me, I like the neutral tone of it. It looks kind of whitish blue, and with white wheels, it kind of looks bright. Okay, so on this car alone, I think we're pushing 850 to the crank, which is about 720 to the wheel. It's got pure 1000 turbos by Pure Turbos. I love Pure Turbos. I work exclusively with them on that. I have Cup 2Rs on the tires with black diamond wheels. These are fun. I like these tires a lot because it's easy for me to drift the car, but it's also not too slippery to the point where I'm going to lose traction and fishtail. I have Boost Logic test pipes, and we gutted the exhaust, so it's completely straight piped. And then other than that, I have a methanol kit in it, and yeah, it's on the 85. My favorite mod, well, we're about to do a GT3 body kit, so that's going to be my favorite mod with the wing and the entire kit for it itself. But until then, my favorite mod at this moment would be the turbos. You guys can check us out on Hype Cars on Instagram, TikTok, all that stuff. We make content almost all the time in this warehouse, and so we'll be documenting all that on here. So yeah, that's pretty much it.